Let's go. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. It's a revolution.
Here's a telltale sign that your chain is completely fucked. Where that link is there, I can hear it when I'm going around. Because when I get to here, you know it's stuck. I'm thinking it's the brake, it's not the brake. So as you can see it come round here. Where's it gone? There you go. I don't know if you can see this on camera. See? You see? Yeah, you can see it on camera, can't you? Yeah. There you have it. See? Train's that stretched. It's not the right size for the bike anymore. So that's telling me, plus it's already here, I already know I need to change it, but this was like my final inspection to see if I could go another month, but it doesn't even fit on the bike. So you can see here. I want to go. It's like 2-3 mil out now. That's it. Changing time. Let's go see yours. I'll leave that brand new one there. This is normally how I do it. You want to go this way around and not the other way around, just in case anything catches. Alright. I'll quickly just put the old one, clip that into place. It's not going to stay there, but still, you know. Alright, what you want to do is just gently make sure the chain's on. There we go. And now the chain guard is in place because it never moved. Oh my god. I've wound it 5 back. It's still too short. He says. fitting. Yeah. No, it's definitely loose. I know that much. Definitely loose. The guy that lives closest to me on Facebook. Belper, is it? You'll know if you're watching. He was saying don't put it the way I did before, I think. So if the bike wheel's going that way, it needs to be facing that way. Okay. There's a bit where you lose your fucking
Let's go.